Pop quiz. Which one is an endocrine gland? Sweat gland, thyroid, salivary gland, or tear duct? Lock in your answer. If your answer is thyroid gland, you are right. It's one of the body's key hormone-secreting glands. In this video, you'll learn what the endocrine system does, how hormones work, and how classic pathways, like blood glucose control and fight or flight, keep you in balance. To begin, the endocrine system is a team of ductless glands that release chemical messengers called hormones directly into your bloodstream. Those hormones travel widely but act only where cells have the right receptors, called target cells. Compared to the nervous system's fast-wired impulses, endocrine signals are broadcast more slowly, yet last longer, ideal for growth, metabolism, reproduction, and long-term balance. Now, how do hormones actually act once released? Most follow a loop. A signal triggers hormone release. The hormone binds to its receptor. A response follows, and crucially, feedback fine-tunes the output to maintain stable internal conditions near the body's set point. For example, consider blood glucose control. After you eat, your pancreas releases insulin, helping cells take in glucose. Levels fall back toward normal. On the other hand, when you're fasting, the pancreas releases glucagon, telling the liver to release glucose. It's a classic negative feedback pair. But here's a common misconception. Hormones don't only speed things up. Depending on the receptor and tissue, the very same hormone can stimulate one process but inhibit another. So far, we've defined hormones and target cells, contrasted endocrine and nervous signaling, and walked through insulin-glucagon feedback, the foundation of endocrine regulation. Curious how much you're remembering? Your personalized practice test, flashcard set, and study guide are all waiting for you. Just tap the link now and keep watching. Future you will thank you. Now, let's apply the same idea to fight or flight. When you're startled, your adrenal medulla releases epinephrine. Heart rate and breathing rise. Energy is mobilized. Blood redirects to muscles. However, as the threat passes, feedback dials the response back down. The same principle also applies to long-term metabolism. In the hypothalamus pituitary thyroid axis, the hypothalamus sends thyrotropin-releasing hormone TRH. The pituitary answers with thyroid-stimulating hormone TSH, and the thyroid responds with triiodothyronine T3 and thyroxine T4. As those thyroid hormones climb in the blood, they feed back to the hypothalamus and pituitary, dialing down TRH and TSH to keep the system steady. At this point, it's important to clear up another source of confusion. Not all hormone problems are too little hormone. In type 1 diabetes, insulin production is deficient. However, in type 2, insulin may be present, but cells respond poorly. In other words, target cell sensitivity matters just as much as hormone levels. To help make sense of cases like these, here's a simple 4-step approach. 1. Spot what's off. 2. Name the gland and hormone. 3. Identify target cells and the response. 4. Explain how feedback closes the loop. To recap, hormones broadcast through blood to specific receptors. Negative feedback keeps you steady. And classic circuits, like insulin or glucagon and epinephrine, show how chemistry coordinates your whole body. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.